Hi, today we are going to see demo for voting PHP web application. So first start the XAMPP control panel, start the Apache and MySQL. Then click on the MySQL admin. Left side you can able to see the backend database on these tables. Next go to the Visual Studio. First explore the voting OTP folder. Then you can see the addressing files and source codes. Next, go to the readme text file. Here you can see the login details and URL link. So copy the URL link and paste to the browser. Now we can see the voting PHP web application. It's our two roles, admin and user. First go to the admin login, enter the email ID and password, then login into the admin homepage. Now login successfully. Admin will be manage various modules. First go to the new candidate. Here you can allocate the political party on this page. So enter the candidate name and enter the voter ID. Next select the ward. Then enter the year and date of election. Next select the gender and enter the address and mobile number. Last enter the allocate. Let's go to the view candidate. Here you can see the all election candidate on this page. Next you will update the candidate details. Then you will upload the candidate symbol on this page. So go to the update image, choose the file and upload the image. Next go to the create voter. Here you can add the voter list on this page. So enter the voter ID and give the mobile number. Whatever you give the mobile number, that mobile number will be receive the user login OTP. Then give the voter details on this page. Next go to the update voter. Here you can see the all voter list on this page and then you will update the voter list. Next go to the import voter list. Here you will upload the voter list Excel file. So go to the choose file and select the Excel file and upload the Excel sheet. Next go to the voting result. Here you will see the all voting result on this page and then you will search the candidate name and you can see the voting list. Next we will move for the user login. Enter the voter ID, then click on the get OTP. Now you get OTP number. So enter the OTP number. Now login successfully. Now we can see the user home page. Here you will be submit your vote. So click on the my vote. Now you can receive the verification OTP. Enter the verification OTP. Then submit your vote on this page. That's the whole voting PHP web application.